Our wing looks so like it's gonna give way.
So I landed in Jamaica and decided to head straight home to Mandeville, trying to see the beach from here, or the sea, but the view is not so great. But we're heading home to Mandeville. It's really funny because Jamaica Drive on the left-hand side, so it takes some getting used to. But there is the sea, guys. It's blue, it's pretty, but down hot. And of course, we had to head through Holland Bamboo. Yeah. I wonder if Holland them get the bamboo from. I'm not sure why it's called Holland Bamboo. Maybe they got it from the Netherlands. Who knows? But going through Holland Bamboo, making my way to Mandeville. So I woke up to this really nice aloe vera tree. It's really big and beautiful. And decided to head out to Mandeville town. So the Mandeville Park was closed, but it's really beautiful. They're preparing it for independence celebrations. And we can see that they were doing some gardening over there. Really nice park. And what struck me about Mandeville is that it is actually still clean. It probably is still the cleanest city. Same thing, so somebody just threw away some garbage in the garbage pan there. So I guess Mandeville people continue to be the cleanest people in Jamaica. So, you know, if you want to eat at restaurants and stuff, Mandeville is a place to go. Look at our street out clean and nice. Come on, talk to me, people from Spanish Town and Kingston. One office about that. So anyway, I'm here in the center of cool Mandeville. And this is the market. We call our market people them decent, them, you know, orderly. Those are cars driving through to go over into the taxi park. The vendors are seated, not harass nobody. Of course, some people are floss their muscles. And this is the area near to the parish council. This is parish council building, all decorated for independence. So it's looking good. Mandeville is looking good. So of course, you know, when you're in Mandeville, one place you have to go to is the Kentucky Fried Chicken. Mandeville has the best KFC. So I decided to leave the park area and head over into Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's 4 o'clock on a Friday. And look how the KFC is packed. The Mandeville KFC, guys, the line is never short. People just go crazy over Mandeville KFC. So, this was my lunch here. A big deal, or a meal deal it was. 1 barbecue, 1 original, and 1 spicy. And then I came back home and just admiring the green space, you know, which takes me to the end of day 1 here on the rock. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to JamFed.